tonight is supposed to be the super wolf blood moon. We'll go outside and see what we can see. We're headed to the movies.
Got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we're in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. Feel that hot blood in my body when it drops.
Fries before guys.
90s are back here.
Oh my goodness! Look at it! It's so
poop.
cute!
That's poop.
Oh, it looks like a Christmas tree.
These things.
Part of this store because it has every candy from every era. Like, just look at these. 80s, rad, 90s.
From the 90s. Kid bottle pops are definitely 90s.
It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. Don't need no reason, don't need control.
They have pizza!
They have watermelon.
Oh my goodness.
Got that good soul in my feet, I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops.
I'm gonna go see Glass. And it's really kind of chilly.
Like 60 degrees.
Yeah.
Put your lid on.
Alright, well, got the popcorn, got the ices, and we're ready. Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you a cooking website. It's called Sugar and Soul. I'm going to be using their Instapot pot roast recipe tonight for dinner. Their recipes vary from difficult to quick and easy. They have a subscription where they will send you their latest recipes right to your email so that you can make them at home. This is the woman who created it. If you go on the site, you can read a little bit about her. She's actually really inspiring. The website is simple to navigate, and she also has a shopping page on there. Tonight we're going to start with our beef chuck roast and some vegetables. You can use a 3 to 5 pound roast, and I use baby carrots, a medium-sized sweet onion, and some ruby red potatoes. Josh is going to cut up my onion because my eyes just hate onions. I know everybody's does, but mine, they get red, they get puffy, I cry, I have to stick my head in the freezer. It's just not a good day for me. He's gonna cut up some ruby red potatoes. I usually use 1 bag. I'm going to wrap these up in tin foil and put them in the fridge or on the counter just so that they stay fresh while my roast is defrosting. While I'm waiting for that to defrost, I just wanted to show you guys this cool little gadget I got from Michael's. It has 3 adapters. You charge this like you would a battery. You put it in your purse or your bag or what have you. They come in all sorts of colors, shapes, sizes. And you just plug in your phone. Pretty much a portable battery and looks cute. pick one of these up if you always leave your charger at home or if you always forget to charge your phone. Alright, so now that the roast is done defrosting, I'm going to put it in my Instapot, put some salt and pepper, and just rub it in there. Get it all over the front of the roast, and maybe add some more. Add some more pepper, add some more salt, rub it in there. Do that until you come to the desired amount of spice you want on your roast. Alright, so once that's done, I'm going to wash my hands and take my chicken broth, pour about 1.5 cups into the bottom. And that is done. Make sure on your lid that it says sealed, because if it's venting, the pressure will not build up. I'm going to set mine on high for 50 minutes. It's done. I'm just going to release that valve, let all of the steam come out. That I have a cooked roast, I'm going to add my 1 package of McCormick pot roast seasoning and stir that into the broth really well as on top of the roast. And then I'm going to add 1 package of baby carrots, my potatoes, and my onions. You can take a spoon or your clean hands and just kind of move it all around, make sure everything's seasoned nicely and even in the pot. And then I just like to clean up my mess a little bit because I really get in there and it splashes out a little bit. This is what it should look like before cooking. Alright, I'm going to just set my lid, make sure the valve is correct. I'm going to set this on 8 minutes. After I release the steam, I can just put it on a plate and serve it up. Your carrots should be soft and cut nicely, and you should be able to stab your potatoes with ease. Promise you, you will love this. It is so delicious and flavorful. Hey YouTube, tonight is supposed to be the super wolf blood moon. I'm gonna try to capture that on film. I know I don't have the best camera for it. We'll go outside and see what we can see. This is what Josh got on his camera. This is the moon. That's kind of like the eclipse happening. We went outside and it is there, it is bright, and you definitely don't want to miss it. It's only coming back in 2021. Hey YouTube, I just wanted to come on here, let you guys meet my sister. Her name is Alyssa. We live together for now. Today we actually went out and did something kind of naughty. Impulsive. She got her nose pierced today. A close up on that. It's cute. It's real cute. She got it done at Tattoos Forever. So if you are in the Destin area, check them out. They're really good, really clean, and really professional.
They know what they're doing.
Yeah. Anyway, if you ever wanted to see a sister tag, just comment down below, like this video, and we'll do a sister tag so that you can get to know a little bit more about her, a little bit more about me. I'm a YouTuber, so please like and subscribe. And I want to provide really cool content for you guys, so give me ideas, comment, like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!